first we need to install Tor browser. After installing Tor browser, we need to start the Tor service, and after that we need to check service is running. After this step, we need Python 3 installed on our system because TorNet is a Python package. After installing Python, we need to install a tool called TorNet. It is a Python package that automates IP address changes using Tor. It is a top tool for securing your networks by frequently changing your IP address, making it difficult for trackers to pinpoint your location. After this step, we need to configure the browser. Let's do it. Go to the browser setting, then go to option called Network Setting, then select option of Manual Proxy Configuration, select the SOCKS version 5 option and, in host put 127.0.0.1 and put 9050 in port option, then select Proxy DNS option when using SOCKS version 5. After this step, let's start TorNet tool and set counter of 5 seconds to change IP address every 5 seconds, then select count -0 because we need to change IP every 5 seconds continuously. Now you can see that address is changing every 5 seconds. Now let's check that we are connected to Tor network using check.torproject.org. And also check by using DNS Leaks website that IP address is changing every 5 seconds or not. Now you can see IP address is changed, and after refreshing the page every 5 seconds, we got different IP address.